My name is Mopani and I'm from Kingfisher Private School, and today we're here to upgrade our projects for the Regional Science Fair on the 8th to 9th of August from Mopani region.
This is your Expo Admin Assistant, Mopani Region. Today we are at Liboning for the project upgrade session, which is done to help the learners prepare for the Regional Science Fair, which will be held on the 8th and 9th of August 2025.
I'm Cynthia Libeta, the RSFD Mopani region. We are here to provide learners with the upgrading of their projects, getting ready for Mopani Regional Science Fair that will be taking place on the 8th to the 9th August.
Eskom Expo